Non-surgical knee restoration in Pompano Beach, Florida helps relieve pain, improve mobility, and promote healing through advanced regenerative techniques designed to target joint damage and inflammation without invasive procedures or long recovery times. Our experienced team at Lighthouse Medical Center uses innovative, evidence-based therapies to stimulate natural healing, strengthen knee function, and enhance overall joint health. Patients often experience reduced pain, greater flexibility, and a restored active lifestyle without the risks of surgery. Contact us today for a free consultation. Are you looking for a non-surgical knee restoration near me? You can stop looking. You found Lighthouse Medical Center. What is non-surgical knee restoration? Non-surgical knee restoration is a regenerative treatment focused on reducing pain, improving joint mobility, and promoting natural healing through therapy, rehabilitation, and strengthening exercises without surgery. What conditions can this treatment help with? This treatment helps with arthritis, joint inflammation, cartilage damage, ligament injuries, and chronic knee pain by restoring flexibility, supporting recovery, and improving overall mobility through advanced non-surgical orthopedic care. What is the service area for your Pompano Beach, Florida location? Our non-surgical knee restoration has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Pompano Beach, Coconut Creek, Oakland Park, Fort Lauderdale, Dania Beach, Hillsborough Beach, North Lauderdale, Coral Springs, Lauderhill, Wilton Manors, Tamarack, Watergate, Hillsborough Pines, Sandalfoot Cove, Boca Point, Sunrise, Deerfield Beach, Mission Bay, and Sea Ranch Lakes, Florida. Where is your Pompano Beach, Florida non-surgical knee restoration clinic located? We are located at 4 Northeast 4th Avenue, Pompano Beach, Florida 33060. Our phone number is 754-222-6642. Visit our website, www.lighthousemedicalcenter.com.